Here I show you how to fix YouTube search bar not showing or YouTube search bar half showing problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for YouTube, tap on YouTube, update YouTube if available any update version. Then go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for YouTube app, tap on YouTube, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, I hope that this method fix YouTube search bar not showing or YouTube search bar half showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.